laptop'as tiesiog pradės vėl filmuoti video, atėjo vasara, baigėsi sėdžiu mano 8 egzaminai. Naujas ausinės, geresnis mikrofonas, nes praeitos burtis ir traktorius. Tai tiesiog nusprendžiau daryti futbolo serijas, nes aš tiesiog mėgstu žiūrėti į futbolą ir tiesiog kam žaisti FIFA, jeigu man labiau patinka PES'as. Tiesiog pažaisime tą čempionų lygos karjerą iškart. Tai va, kūrėmės naują. O, čia nustatom. Jeigu ir tiesiog bus professional, žmonės, aš nesu toks profesionalas. Taip. Aš nesu toks profesionalus, kad žaidžiu puikiai ten tą PES'ą dar kažką. Ir mes žaisim, kas bekau šitą komandą. Na, jinai, manau, yra pati mėgstamiausia ir matote mano grupę. Aš ją paliksiu tokią, kokia jinai ir yra. Čia yra tikras draugas, kaip ir buvo tikras čempionų lyga, bet kai nėra poros komandų, tai taip atsitiko. Ir spaudžiam OK. Control options. Nieko čia mes nekeisim. Gali būt kokybė šiek tiek prastesnė, nes aš ją padariau šiek tiek prastesnė, nes man truputėlį lagino. Tai jo, pirmas geimas prieš Liverpoolį. Taip. Aš kart noriu pasakyti, kad aš keičiu sudėtį, nes šiandien sudėtis yra nustatyta tragiškai. Tiesiog Fletcheris yra tas žaidėjas, kuris turėtų žaisti vidury. Ir man labiau jisai Falcao turėtų sėdėti ant suoliuko vietų yra Rafaelo. O Rafaelas Paleskai turėtų išeiti į aikštelę. Nu va. Ir daugiau čia nieko nėra, bet iš labiau išstatymą. Na, nustepsite, kad aš šitą gal dar žaidėjimų. Gal nenustepsite, gal nenustepsite. Kad aš šitą tikrai noriu paimti ten įdėtis į atsakyšinę. Man labai patinka. Pirmos rungtynės. Pažiūrėsime, ar pralaimėsim ir laimėsim. Šiek tiek jaudinuos.
Welcome to the first of the UEFA Champions League group stage games.
Gerai, mes esam balti.
So, here we go then.
Jie yra raudoni. Sakykim, kaip debilai tokie.
Philippe Coutinho. It's Balotelli. He's on his way. You have to admire that control. That was a good dribble and a good chance.
Everything about that was perfect apart from the execution. He could so easily have made them pay then.
Here's Rooney. Glenn Johnson. Jordan Henderson. Here's Balotelli. Balotelli! He tried going it alone, but without success.
Well, I think it was a little difficult for him to pick exactly the right option there. There were so many in the box. I don't think we should be totally surprised that he actually went for the shot in the end.
Oh, a decent effort. Plenty of options. Who's he looking to pick out? He's on a real charge. They're given another corner. Juan Mata has teed up this corner.
Oh, Rooney.
The defence is there to deal with it. Whistle's gone for a foul. A good open start to this game. Philippe Coutinho. Balotelli. The ball was taken. Going forward. That's clearly not what he was hoping for. No side able to force a breakthrough yet. Lovren. Jordan Henderson. Balotelli. They can try again. Sturridge.
futbolo reikėjo.
What a chance that was! They may live to regret that.
League of Legends.
Van Persie. Good possession in this spell, but lacking any real penetration. They could be in here. Off he goes. Oh, great tackle. Had to get it right. Johnny Evans. Ander Herrera. It's Van Persie. It's played into space. Rooney. Rooney.
No, įvartis.
Goal. Manchester United.
Taip, Rooney's. Mes sužaidėjas nesimušė.
How about that?
Gerai, mano labiausiai iš Premier League mėgstam komandų yra Liverpoolis. Jeigu čia žiūri...
So we start again at 1-0.
Well, that's put him in the driving seat, but there's a lot of football left in this one yet, believe me.
A space on the flank. Here's Balotelli. Balotelli! He shoots there. No luck again, just like last time.
Well, I wonder if their profligacy will rebound on them somehow. You know, they're very much on the up here, and yet they can't convert a string of very decent opportunities.
Gal žaisim vėl Minecraftą, Aive, nes kas turi legalus, aš pastebėjau, kad ten yra labai dabar įdomus modėjimas.
Valencia.
Aš Minecraft'ui apskritai nežaidžiau apie tiek, kiek video nebet.
Di Maria.
Dar seniau Minecraft'ui.
Juan Mata. Van Persie. Rooney. Di Maria.
Ai, tu sakai nedaug trūko. Reikėjo bandyti perkelti.
To be fair, that was tough for the keeper to handle.
Here's Sturridge.
Davai, Rafaelai, parodykime.
Sturridge. Good ball, right down the middle. Here's Balotelli. Balotelli!
Okay. Nesivoliok čia trukdai žaisti.
Valencia. This goes for a throw-in. Jordan Henderson. Glenn Johnson. Gerrard. Kolo Touré. Gerrard. Jordan Henderson. Di Maria. Ander Herrera. Philippe Coutinho. Jordan Henderson. Balotelli. He makes his way towards the penalty area. Looking for a corner. A shot! And with that, the referee brings the first half to a close.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
It's a cagey game, this one. Plenty to fascinate the spectators, though. Score is 1-0. Jordan Henderson. Sturridge. Through and still going. And they've got it away. Lifts it through. Lovren. Philippe Coutinho. Glenn Johnson. Played in accurately. Ander Herrera. Slides it through. Looking to exploit the space. Valencia. Oh, that's a neat escape. Rooney. Back off the post it comes. Right time, right place, wrong outcome.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
And he wasn't far off.
Well, he's certainly a player I'd be more than happy to watch. Tactically, he's almost impossible to stop.
Glenn Johnson. Gerrard. Mamadou Sakho. Doesn't manage to get that one through. And he finds a bit of space here. Here's Mamadou Sakho. Good hand by the keeper.
Well, that was a really awkward one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
Tried to play it through. Jordan Henderson. 15 minutes into the second half. Manchester United not as yet making any changes.
Mes nedarom keitimų teisingai, komentatoriai pastebėjai, nes mūsų žaidėjai pabėgioja. Gerai, padarysim mes keitimą. Gerai. Man atrodo, Jangas atidirbo viską ir dabar aš leisiu savo mėgstamo žaidėją. Na ir šį sezoną Manchester nieko gero nepadaręs Falcao ir įtaką šiandien aikštelę.
Mamadou Sakho. Good interception, just what they needed. It's Van Persie. Long ball forward. Nice ball through.
And that's come to nothing.
The ball threaded through. Balotelli. He's onside here. What a chance that was. They may live to regret that. Ashley Young. Rooney. Moving forwards. And now Rooney sends the ball over the defence. The keeper's got it. Mamadou Sakho. Gerrard. Sturridge. Balotelli. Made a decent run towards the box, but he was thwarted in the end. Bursting forward. Rooney. Rooney. That should have been 2-0.
Yeah, he could have made the game safe had he converted that. Such a big disappointment.
Looking to whip one in. Leaps for the header. Oh, that was a real chance to extend their lead. Philippe Coutinho. He goes alone. Tries to slide it past the defence. Play surges forward.
What the fuck,
a huge chance missed. Manchester United with a big chance and a big miss. Philippe Coutinho. Here's Balotelli. The ball goes through. Oh, that's delightful. Rooney. Falcao. Wonderful through ball over the top. He was well positioned, good defending there. The clock counting down. Just a few more moments and this will all be over. He's onside. Needs a good cross. A fine reaction save. Safe to say that wasn't the best of crosses. He's going on his own. Down the middle it goes. Rooney. The flag stays down. He's over the ball, his teammates waiting. And he gets it away. And they've won themselves a free kick, which could turn out to be the last kick of the game. This is a great chance to increase the lead. Manchester United have this free kick. Rooney!
Vėl, teisėjau nieko, turim tai, va taip va, kamuolį viskas, 2 minutės praėjo. Viskas, išsimės ir šalis pabaiga. Pažiūrėkit į laiką.
Looking to carve open the defence.
3 minutės su viršum praėjo.
Great footwork. Sturridge.
Viskas. Vėl.
So that's it. It's all over. The ideal start then, victory in the first group stage game.
Manchester United made their intentions clear that nothing else but a win would do. These games are always tough, you know, it's not always about form, it's not always about class or style.
Pažiūrėkime, kas šiandienas. Juventus su Atletico kaip sužaidė mano grupai, Realas laimėjo prieš Lille. Ir pažiūrėsime, o mes Realų pirmoje vietoje. Taip, tai jūs kitame tik epizode pamatysite, kai mes kovosime prieš Madrido Realą. Žaisime su ne tą pačią sudėtim, reikia tiem biškį daug pasėti. Falcao aš nežais, ir nežaisime.
This famously is known as the Theatre of Dreams, a very warm welcome to Old Trafford. So, here we go then. Manchester United against Lille. It's John Champion here at the microphone, and alongside me we have a top football analyst in Jim Beglin.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
Oh, Clint.
Caught offside that time. Forward it goes. Basha. Martin. Van Persie. It's Di Maria. Off target.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Phil Jones picks the ball up straight from a goal kick. Basha. Kjær. Suarez. Mavuba. Sidibe. Rodelin. And he plays it to the keeper. Darren Fletcher. Di Maria. Juan Mata. Van Persie. Mata.
Oh, Mata.
Very nearly a goal.
Well, how close can you get? That must have been a matter of inches.
No.
Well, look, they've started with such intensity, but maybe they just need to add a little composure to their finishing. You know, it's the only thing that's missing so far.
It's Mata. Juan Mata trying to keep hold of it, but it's hardly easy. So it is still 0-0. Well intercepted, saw the danger and got to it. Balmont. Oh, lovely feet. He decides to shoot. Well saved by the keeper.
And that wasn't exactly a routine save. He still had an awful lot to do to keep that out. Superb.
Looking to exploit the space. Ashley Young. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there.
What the fuck? Ne, šitą nėra gerai, šitas nėra gerai. Gerai, visi jau grįžo.
Surely he can't miss from here. Great effort. He was really alert to the possibilities there.
Rue did really well to get the shot away while he still had just enough room, and the power behind it had the keeper beaten too. Just a little inaccurate.
Oh no. Dieve, išmušta kamuolį gerai.
Looking to carve open the defence. An important intercept. Valencia with the foul. That was always likely to be the outcome. Yellow card.
Tiesniai kamuolį. Vienu žodžiu. Nesigilinkim į tai.
Origi. Bursting forward. And he'll get the shot away here.
I thought he showed real composure in creating the opening for himself, but it was a bit of a waste in the end.
Naudoju kažkokią tam, aš nesu tos programos net pavadinimas, aš jas nenaudoju. Kad aš ją tipo naudoju ir pakeičiu savo balsą.
On his head.
What the fuck?
Well, once the keeper lost control of that, it could have gone either way, but it was a good reaction from the defender.
The ball played into space nicely.
Oh, taip, davai
on his own. Off he goes.
Gerai.
He carved out a pretty presentable chance.
Well, he knew he needed a better angle to get a shot away. I suppose at least he showed the best option. It just didn't come off.
So here comes the corner.
Ably
dealt with by the defence. Good interception, just what they needed. Down the middle it goes. Oh, that's a neat escape. Up to nod it. Right time, right place, wrong outcome.
Manchester United had players queuing in the box in that situation, and they've still got nothing to show for it. What a complete and utter waste.
So 0-0 still, but both sides have had their moments.
Turėjau nesveikiausią progą, bet realiai pamiršęs. Tragiškiausias.
Suarez.
O dabar jau būtų 1-0.
Through and still going.
Realybė aš
on his own.
Ar varžybos tokius aš įmušu.
Looking for width.
O taip.
Valencia. Some dangerous moments, but he was there to intervene. Restarts with a throw-in. Rue. Suarez. They got a throw-in. Some debate here, but in the end, a goal kick is awarded. Johnny Evans. Half-time is now upon us. Neither side has managed a goal. It's 0-0. So the second half gets underway. This goes for a throw-in. Opportunity for a goal.
O, jakieś kąsze.
Mavuba! That is wayward.
Well, it wasn't much on for him, so it was worth a shot. It was worth a try from there. They've come out of the dressing room firing on all cylinders now. We could be in for quite a second half here.
Tried to play it through. Here's Mata. He's bursting forward. And that's going to go a long way. That could have been really special.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
And the cross dealt with. Darren Fletcher. Mavuba. Balmont. Rodelin. Origi. Mavuba. Balmont. Both sides continuing to cancel each other out. Phil Jones.
Fletcher, what the fuck?
Rodelin. Palmed away. Moved away in a fairly no-nonsense fashion.
Why not?
Looks like a change is in order. It's a player there waiting to come on. He's trying his luck. And now Rooney.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
It's an opportunity, and it's a really well-taken goal. And the game finally comes to life in the second half.
Yeah, I think he just thought about trying his luck from further out there, but why bother when you can worm your way through a defence like that? It's terrific play to get through and score.
Lille in front by the odd goal.
Yeah, now that the deadlock has been broken, I think the manager has to look at his bench to try and initiate some sort of a reply. But has he got a game changer? He has to try something from here.
He plays it through. Through it goes. And a shot here. Well, to call that wayward would be being kind. Manchester United. Through the middle it goes. Here it is. Danger averted for the time being. Origi, who a few moments ago made his mark on this game. This could be interesting for Lille. There's a foul. It's a two-goal lead now. It was all down to the control. So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
Mendes. He got the man there. That's a free kick. Suarez. Sidibe. Rooney now looking to see who wants it. What can Manchester United make of this? The ball goes through.
No.
Van Persie.
That
was a real chance.
As long as they don't allow their heads to drop now, they'll be okay. They can still get back into this game with more chances like that.
Tai komentatoriai, kai mes grįšim, jeigu va toks grybas, Van Persis tiesiog negali vartus pataikyti iš 1 metro.
Rooney.
Va vėl.
And a much needed intervention that was too. Origi. Balmont.
Dieve, nu jau ta proga buvo, fabulous. Dabar 3-2 būtų, jeigu man taip. Visas tas progas.
Whistle's gone for a foul.
Gerai.
Origi.
Ir bujos, kad...
Di Maria.
Kortelė.
And he's made sure that's not getting through. The clock counting down. The ball's with Rooney. Mavuba. Mendes. Challenge deemed unfair. Foul given. Oh, and he knows it. It's his second yellow. He's off. Manchester United must play the rest of this game a man short.
Neišnaudotos pačios geriausios progos ir dar raudona kortelė, nu?
Van Persie sends the ball over the defence. They get it clear. It's Di Maria. Slides it through. Through it goes. And the assistant referee has his flag up for offside.
Okay, įvariau į nuošlę, kai reikalas. 4 minutės pradėjo. Nu, per šialą turėsim laimėti. Nors lygiam sužais.
Sidibe.
Liliai, mes atskirsim.
He goes alone.
Mes Liliai tikrai atskirsim. Man atrodo, kad kitą epizodą matysime.
Van Persie. The opposition posing a few questions, but he's able to intercept. Mavuba.
There
it is, the final whistle. They come away from here with a defeat. Although there's no joy for their manager or supporters, the players can at least be proud of their tremendous performance today.
Taip, visi nėra patenkinti, netgi aš pats. Noriu pažiūrėti, Realas laimėjo prieš tą ir mes esam dabar trečioje vietoje. Gerai. Ai, bet to galim dar pažiūrėti kitas. Rinkis, va, matysite Madrido Realo rungtynes. Competition info. Va, group stage. Štai va. Mūsų lentelė. Štai, na, tokia lentelė. Tokia lentelė. Bayernas kaip Barcelona. Gerai pirmaus. Taip. Viskas labai aišku. Nu, pažiūrėkime. Kavanis 4 očiai. Nu, Rūnis 1. Esame ir mes tą lenteliai. Benzema, Rodrigesas, Ronaldo 2 įmušęs, Hazardas. Gerai. Gerai. Ačiū, kad žiūrėjot šitą mano epizodą. Su jums buvo aš Mantas. Visiems sakau visiems. Ate.